If you want to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A36 5G by using the recovery mode, what you need to do is you need to prepare the USB cable and you need to connect your phone to a computer. Once you do that, we need to turn off our phone. So I'm gonna swipe down on the right side in order to open quick settings, and we can tap on this power button here in the top right corner and then power off. There we go. Now we need to wait for the charging logo to appear and the information about the battery percentage. And after that, you need to press and hold the power button and volume up button, and you need to hold these two until you see the recovery menu. So as you can see, we have the logo. Soon we should see the percentage information. So let's wait a little bit more. Alright, so now we can press power button and volume up. So press and hold both of these buttons until you see the recovery menu. There we go. Keep holding. And now we are in the recovery menu, so we can release both of these buttons. We can navigate in this menu by using volume buttons to use volume down in order to go down, volume up in order to go up. And here we need to select wipe data / factory reset and confirm our choice with the power button. So go over here and then choose factory data reset, and once again confirm it with the power button. Follow the instructions in order to finalize this process and hard reset your Galaxy A36 5G. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!